do it again.
क्या हुआ? अरे पहले भूल गया, sorry.
I can't. Maybe I'll memorize it. Sorry. Hi, I'm Kumaran, Senior Director at Acumatica and a site leader for a new India team.
I'm Mitan Mehta, Chief Engineering Officer at Acumatica.
Karthik, working as an associate engineer.
I am Akshita, Associate Engineer.
I am Paul Kiran, Associate Engineer.
I'm Shreya. I'm working as a QA lead.
I'm Samir Khan, Engineering Manager.
I'm Kundan Pandey, Senior Engineering Manager.
This is Dharamveer Chaudhary, Senior Manager at Acumatica India.
Lakshmi Narayana, Senior Engineering Manager with Acumatica.
This is Leena, Associate Director HR.
I am Rahul Lukhande, Lead Business Analyst.
I am Prithvi, Lead Software Developer.
Acumatica, we believe in putting our customers first.
Acumatica is not just a company, it's a family made of our employees, our customers, and our partners. And I'm proud to be part of that family.
Bringing our passion together to build product around them.
And I'm super excited to see it growing and expanding with presence in India with amazing and talented team members.
I love the culture that the team brings, the people, and it feels great to be part of the forward-looking company. I'm thrilled to have the engineering footprint expand to India and looking forward to building amazing products that our customer loves.
And I'm looking forward to them growing with Acumatica India and contributing to the success of our customers and Acumatica.
Already sense a great positive energy among the people.
My day one came with warm welcome, great people, and the feeling that I have made the right choice. I am excited to grow with the team.
My first day with Acumatica has been awesome. Within days, it felt less like joining a company and more like joining a team that is exceptionally talented.
Acumatica India is on the move. In a short time, we have gone from a small beginning to a growing team of talented people, building, innovating, and making an impact every day.
At Acumatica India, we've built an incredible team, and together we are creating positive business outcomes each day.
Acumatica empower with AI-driven insights to collaborate, innovate, and achieve extraordinary business outcomes.
Acumatica India is growing rapidly, and our team here plays a very important role in driving innovation across our products and technology.
Acumatica is building its core engineering organization in Hyderabad, and it's an exciting time to be part of this journey.
Acumatica is an innovative e-commerce ERP platform that helps businesses to streamline their operations.
Acumatica helps growing businesses build modern ERPs which will solve their problems for today and create opportunities for tomorrow.
One thing I truly appreciate is how approachable and accessible our leaders are. Because of the direct line of communication, it removes roadblocks. We can solve problems faster, stay agile, and focus on delivering the best possible solutions.